We wish you a Merry Christmas for the cello. Come on, chair. There we go. For the cello. We wish you a Merry Christmas is built out of a whole bunch of patterns. So every time you do, you a Merry Chris, you a Merry, it's the same pattern. You play a note, the note above that, back to that note, and the note below it. Bum, ba, da, da, da. Okay? Depending on what note that is, like we move up the neck, but each time we do it, it's that note, note above it, back to that note, note below it. So the first one, we jump to a G, and that's G, then open A, and then back to G. So it's G, G, A, G, F sharp. You wish you a merry. Okay? So practice that a bunch of times. G, G, A, G, F sharp. Okay, now the second time we do that, we still do that pattern, but now we start on an A note, which is open string. Then we play A, note above it is a B, first finger, B, A, and the note below it is a G with your fourth finger. Okay, so it's going to be A, B, A, G. And when I put my fourth finger down, I put all the rest of the fingers down in the string. It helps hold the string down. Your pinky's kind of weak, and if you try to do this, it's not going to work. Okay? So, A, B, A, G. The next one goes up another note, and we start on our B note with our first finger. Then we play a B, a C natural with our 2, back to B, open A. So now it's 1, 1, 2, 1, open, or B, B, C, B, A. Okay? So, putting all those together, we will have the whole first line of We Wish You Merry Christmas except for one finger twister. And if you noticed, each time I went up, the note I started that pattern on was one note higher. The first one started on G, next one started on open A, next one started on B. So it's one note up each time we start the pattern. So we actually start the note on a D note with an up bow, open D. Then we go to a G, and we do that pattern. Then Christmas is E, E. Then we play another E for we. Now we jump up to the A, next pattern. A, B, A, G, F sharp, D. Now another D for we. Up to the B. B, B, C, B, A, G, E. So that's the We Wish Yous. Now the next, and a Happy New Year is a little bit of a finger twister. It is open D, 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 then first finger E note, E, open A, F sharp, G. So you notice I didn't pull my hand totally away when I played the A because I'm going to need F sharp and G, so I just left my hand hover a little bit above the string so when I needed my third finger they could all go down. So it's going to be D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. Good, try that again. D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. And practice that a bunch of times in a row. So each one of those patterns, G, A, G, F, then A, B, A, G, then B, C, B, E, B, C, B, A, sorry. Practice all of those by themselves over and over and over again until your fingers just get it, okay? Then the second line, we have pretty easy notes. It's D, G, 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 F sharp, which is open, 4, 3. Open, G, 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 F sharp with your 3. Now F sharp, G, F, E, D, which is 3, 4, 3, 1, open. And then Good Tidings for Christmas is starting on an A, B, A, G, then you're going to roll your fourth finger so you can play the fourth finger on the A string, and then back to the open D. So it's A, B, A, G, high D, low D, and then, and a Happy New Year. D, D, E, A, F sharp, G, which we've done already. Then the last line is everything we practiced in the first line. It's exactly the same. The D is in the second line, but it's the same D we start. So it's D, G, G, A, G, F, E, 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 A, B, A, G, F sharp, D, D, B, B, C, D, A, G, E, D, D, E, A, F sharp, G. And that's the song. Now beat that into submission.